So total trades, we made $14,000, but because I was just making $2,000 across each trade. Good morning, y'all. It is currently 9:10 in the morning, and we are about to do another trade with me. I am currently back home. So last time y'all talked to me, I was on vacation, living it up, having a good time. But this time we are back home in my office, and I'm going to take y'all through what a regular trading morning with me would look like, from marking up my charts to actually executing the trades, the reasons and thought processes behind why I executed the trades, and little helpful nuggets that you maybe could implement in your trading. I am in a little bit of a rush just because I have to send my trade idea to my mentees. So I need to hurry up and mark my charts up so that I can send that to them. As far as news today, we don't have any news. It's Thursday, October 23rd. The government is still shut down, so no news on the docket. So now I'm gonna go ahead and mark up my charts, and then I'm gonna send these charts to my mentees so that they can see what I'm kind of looking at for the day. So charts are marked up. What I usually do after I mark up my charts is send like a zoomed out screenshot of them to my mentees, so y'all get to listen in on my thoughts for the day. I usually send them like a voice message because it's easier and quicker for them to listen to and to read, and I can be a lot more detailed in a voice message than I can be through typing. Good morning, ladies. I hope today is a super profitable and great day for you. I hope it's starting good and it continues to be good. So today we don't have a bias yet, so we haven't gone below London high or above London. We haven't gone above London high or below London low. I'm sorry. We also don't have any news yet. The government is still shut down, so no news that you kind of have to trade around. At least no red folder news that you kind of have to trade around. Key things that happened overnight. So London X played out last night. For those of you who trade London X, or or you've studied London X, that strategy did play out last night. So I don't necessarily know the likelihood that New York X is going to play out today. We will see if it does, but I wouldn't hold my breath for it. As far as things that I see on the day, we have a lot of supply zones and we also have a lot of demand zones. So I don't necessarily have like an ideal scenario. Honestly, we could continue going down and tap one of the demand zones and then go up, or we could continue going up, tap one of the supply zones and then go down. So there is no ideal yet because I don't really have much to go off of besides supply and demand zone and the fact that London X has played out. Ultimately, if we continue with no bias, I probably would lean on the side of doing the prop firm strategy, or if we do get a reaction off one of the supply zones, I'll use that. But ultimately, we will just have to see what happens because right now there's not a whole lot to go off of. I just sent my trade idea to my mentees. The trade idea is just to tell them what I'm thinking for the day. Some days I have a lot of thoughts where I'm like, oh, I think X, Y, and Z is gonna happen. Some days I don't have a lot of thoughts. Like today, I don't necessarily have a lot of thoughts or predictions as to what the market's gonna do because I don't have a lot to go off of. None of my confluences have hit yet. Nothing has happened. So when situations like that happen, I try to keep them updated in the comments of my daily trade idea when I don't have necessarily anything to go off starting the day out. So that's kind of where we're at for the day. I don't necessarily have a bias about what I think is going to happen or an ideal scenario that's going to happen. And on these days, I try to be a lot more fluid in the trades that I take and be reactive in essence. So if I don't go into the day with I want to see X, Y, and Z, I just be reactive to what the market gives me. So today will be a reactive day, not I'm going in with an idea already. Today is not one of those days. I don't have a profit goal. I will take whatever the market gives me, especially since I'm going into the day without like an ideal scenario or ideal situation that I want to see happen. I am just gonna take what I can get. Like if I get $1,000, we're good. If I get $5,000, we're good. Shoot, if I get $500, we're good. That's a lot more than I would have made when I was working a job. So we be grateful for everything that we get when it comes to trading. So right now I am just waiting for market to open. It's currently 9:23 in the morning, so we have 7 minutes until market opens. Momentary interlude. As I had got into trading, I was like, I haven't had a day where I really was aggressive and tried to really like make money out of the market. Lately, I've been doing like 1 or 2 trades a day, but not really being aggressive with how much I can make in the day. So then I realized I wanted to challenge myself to make a little bit more today, or to really like put my best foot forward when it came to trading. So when I started out the session, I had started out trading my prop firm account, and I took 2 trades with my mentees on my prop firm account. No, I took 3 trades. I took 1 loss and 2 winners with my mentees. And then I had paused recording and then started recording again when I started trading my personal account. So what y'all about to see in this clip is me trading my personal account. I also missed the first trade that I took on my personal account, but I show you all of the other ones that I had taken, as well as the results from me taking those trades. So hope you enjoy.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
I literally just went on a 5 trade win streak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I went wanted to challenge myself to make a little bit more. I feel like I've been playing it safe the past couple of days when I know that I could do better than I've been doing. So it's currently 10:54. I usually get off the charts fairly early, but I wanted to see what would happen if I stayed behind a little bit longer. I really don't have much of a trade recap for y'all, but I'll do one really quickly. All of these trades literally followed the exact same rules. So we had a supply zone, we broke below it, I entered, took a sell, made 2,000. Literally had the same thing happen. Rejection candle, took a sell, made 2,000 as you can see, P&L 2,000 as I hover over it. And I made 2,000 on this trade. So at this point I'm up 4,000. Literally all following the same rules. Zone, rejection candle or break of candle entry, taking it for roughly 25 ticks, 25 or 50 ticks, depending on how far I feel like the setup is gonna go. I could take another sell right here because I see another setup forming that follows all my rules.
Order
Take a
filled.
sell, see if it plays out. I'm not afraid because I'm following my rules. Either it's gonna go one of two ways. It's gonna go up or it's gonna go down.
Order filled.
I just follow my rules. Literally just made another 2,000 as y'all are watching. I have not taken this many trades in one day in so long, but I wanted to challenge myself. I also didn't want to rely on one trade to make all of this money for me. There are days where I'm like, oh, I want to make $4,000 from one trade. If we could break above this candle, I'll take a buy. Literally, you just follow your rules. That's all. We haven't broke above it, so I don't take any trades. If we break above it, I'll take a buy. We're hesitating to break above it. Are we gonna get a break? Let's see, we got a break. That wasn't necessarily a strong break.
Order
I get in
filled.
for a buy. Follow my rules. Either it goes in my direction or it doesn't. Like, when you follow your rules, just literally take the emotion out of it. You don't have to be emotional. All you need is a good strategy. Follow the rules of your strategy. If you win the trade, you win the trade. You lose the trade, you lose the trade. But you don't have to be emotional. Like, literally just let your trades play out. Let them go in your favor. Don't move your TP. Don't move your stop loss. None of these trades I move my TP or my stop loss. I just let the trade play out in my favor. That's it, literally. So let's see if this trade goes to my direction. If it does, great. If it doesn't, whoop-de-doo.
Order filled.
Win in my direction, another win. Literally just followed the exact same system over and over. Each trade today I took, I was just doing $2,000 to make $2,000. Followed the exact same system. I was able to walk away with all wins on the day. I can see in real time that I actually did this. Y'all sat with me for the trades. This one, this one, this one. All of these trades I literally recorded in real time for y'all to see. I just realized when I came back to my computer, I didn't actually go through my actual stats for the trades that I took in front of y'all with you. So total trades, we made $14,000, but because I was risking $2,000 across each trade and I had a total of 7, I was risking 16 contracts per trade. 16 contracts to make $2,000. And I took 7 trades, but the thing is, they count each contract twice. So they count when you enter and they count when you exit. So if I did 16, then that would be 32 per trade. So that's why that number seems kind of high, but I didn't totally buy 224 contracts. My average trade time was 48 seconds. My longest trade was 2 minutes and 9 seconds. All of my trades were profitable. My expectancy is $2,000 because I made $2,000 on each trade. I paid $645 in commissions, which allowed me to walk away on the day up $13,354. So even though I made $14,000, didn't walk away with that, I still had to pay my broker commission. Ultimately, a really good day. I have not had a day like this in weeks. It can be attributed to the fact that I usually get off the charts fairly early, so I don't be trying to like fight to get more out of my trades. I'll just take like 1 or 2 trades and be done. But today I wanted to challenge myself to really see if I could like really aggressively, I'm not using this mic, really aggressively target the market, and I was able to do that. I want to make it very clear that I am not saying that you should take 7 trades in a day or saying that 7 trades in a day is not a lot. 7 trades is a lot, but for somebody who's been trading for the past 6 years, to me, that's not a lot, and I was able to manage my risk and do this in an effective way. Nor is a 7 trade win streak something that you're going to get every day. So just wanted to put that out there. No, I'm not saying you should take 7 trades in a day. And so yeah, that is my trades for the day. Those are my results for the day. I'm actually really happy about them, especially to end the week because I don't trade on Fridays. So today is my last trading day of the week. But yeah, I will see you all next week for my next trade with me video. Bye y'all.